Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Khushi and you are watching Khushi Not Only Makeup. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about brands which are lesser known through Amazon. So I am going to do a series of brands which are very less known, which you haven't really heard of, but they are really good. And these are all available on Amazon. So today the video is dedicated to a brand called C2P Pro. I have previously shown you one of the products from this brand and I love it to bits because it gives a healthy glow to the skin, which you can mix it with your foundation and also as a highlighter, especially during winters. It's a must-have product. So after using that particular product, I wanted to try out more from this brand. So that is why I have got the lineup of makeup which I'm going to do with you today in this video. So please don't mind my no makeup face, and I'm going to get decked up and get ready like this. I quite like it. It's very dewy, it's very minimal, yet at the same time it stands out due to the white liner and the beautiful peachy color going on. So without further talking, let's get started. So the first product you see here are two actually, which are going to be mixed together, which one of them is this foundation. So look at the packaging. The packaging is so beautiful. It's holographic, it shines, and I want to just keep on playing with it. It's again a holographic packaging of the highlighter, which is a stroke green basically. So this is called the stroke play, and I mix the two of them and create this base for me, which is really dewy and very moisturizing. Why? Because I've also used a special face spray which is not from this brand. I'm going to show you that in the next video, so hang on for that and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So I have mixed up these two products. Sorry, this is the outer packaging of the stroke cream. This is the outer packaging of the stroke cream, which is equally holographic and beautiful. Love it to bits. They have nailed it with the packaging. I tell you, with this range they have nailed it. So pair, there are other shades as well to choose from. I love this foundation. Why? Because it gets beautiful coverage, but always remember to use it with a makeup spray or a liquid on your face so that it spreads well, because this one is very thick, and once you blend it on you will know that it's really thick. So that is why I wanted to use it with a liquid on my face and without making it too messy and too irritating for me to blend it. Always use it with a makeup spray, a highlighting spray, or any spray basically, which will help this spread very well. So it gives good coverage. It is matte finish. When I mix it with the stroke cream, it obviously gives you this dewy look. I totally love it, and there should have been more shades, but it's good to go for me right now. On to the next product, the brow palette. They have a beautiful brow palette. They have a wax in it. They have a brow powder to fill up your brows and to keep it in place. I love it, and I really recommend using brow powders over brow pencils. You will know the difference once you start using the brow powder. It's more natural, it's more controllable, and then with the wax it is absolutely sealed and looks good to go even in the monsoons. So the next product which I have is their white liner, which I am currently wearing. So I just try to create a simple graphic look kind of with this eyeliner. This is available in different other shades as well. I have picked up the white one because the one which I had was running out. So white C2P Pro liner for me. You have other shades as well, go give it a try. So also talking about the finishing powder, I don't have the Productka finishing powder, but there are different options available here and here. You can check it out. If you want, I will link it in the bottom description bar as well. Go check that out. Palette, I actually broke it, so I couldn't show it to you properly. It has a blusher, it has a bronzer, it has a highlighter. So I have used up all of these products on my face today, and the blusher is so pigmented. God, it's not funny. It is very pigmented, so little goes a long way. Just dab it on and you're good to go, and very well blend it in your skin, and yeah, you'll get a very beautiful flush of color. Don't overdo it. Always underplay makeup, because the less the better, I feel sometimes. And then I have used it up with a highlighter. The same palette has a powder highlighter in golden color. You can also use the stroke cream, but since I had the palette with me, I wanted to show you with the palette. It looks beautiful. Just look at this blinding effect. My camera is not able to capture how blinding it is, especially if the light is coming on from this side, so you can see the shine already. And on this side also, I don't know how to show you on camera because the light is not that side, it's this side. So on this side also I've applied it. It's pretty good, it's doing a good job. And talking about the bronzer, I have also used the contour bronzer on my face and it looks good. If you have like bulges, or if you want to really make your face look chiseled, definitely use a contour eye. Moving on to the last product of this video, which is this beautiful lip color. Oh my god, again look at this packaging. This is also holographic. It's beautiful, and the shade is called 34 Radhika. So they, I think, have named it all with the actress's name. So Radhika must be Radhika Madan, if I'm correct. And there are other shades like Katrina, Karina and stuff like that. So it's interesting, and I quite love this shade. I haven't stopped wearing this ever since I've got it. I recently been to a weekend outing and I was carrying it over there as well. The color is so beautiful. It just goes so well with almost everything you wear. So I highly recommend this shade, and this is a beautiful orange muted rusty color. Love it. It's just beautiful. I don't have this color in my vanity. I own over 100 or more lipsticks, but I don't have this color. So very good lipstick, and it is transfer proof. It is matte. It's gonna last a very long time. With eating, it goes away a little bit in the middle like all the liquid lipsticks do, but for the price I pay, I'm not complaining. There are so many other things in this brand. You can try the makeup fixer, you can try the primer, you can try the powder, you can try the blush, which is separately available, you can try the contour, the highlighter, which is again available in different chotu shapes. So definitely give this brand a try. It's new, it's reasonable, it's affordable, it's good quality, and Amazon has it all for you right there. So I have linked all the products which I've used and also the products which I recommend from this brand in the description below. So don't forget to check that out. I'll be back very soon with yet another new video. So don't forget to hit like, follow this channel for more interesting stuff coming your way, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.